Welcome. The strategy I'm about to show you, I was planning to sell this strategy, but because I care, I don't mind. Let me look at a pair we can use. I don't want to spoil this. You're going to love me after this. But please, if you get to watch this video, you are probably lucky, if not blessed, because once it reaches 3,000 views, I'm going to set this video as private. I don't want many people. There's lots of stuff here. Let's start from here. Let's check here. This strategy can be okay. It's a clean chart. I can just remove this. I'm going to enter these trades. Okay, I'll give you the settings at the end, so that if you are not interested in the strategy, you won't have to waste your time watching this. Okay, the first key thing that you need to know is this. Whenever the market moves like this, whenever the market moves, these turning points, let me just mark 2. All these turning points, this one, that one, are very important key levels. You might even extend this line. It's an important key level. It's an important key level. All the turning points are important key levels, and I will show you as I do the strategy or as I analyze how they will help you achieve more than 90% results. And I'm not exaggerating here. We are going to see this together. Okay, let me just scroll back. My internet is slow. I don't know what's happening. I'll just scroll back. Where can we start analyzing? Scroll back. Okay, let me just start from here. My internet is slow. Okay, let's start from here. What we are going to use are the buy and sell labels, but most of them are fake, and the only thing that we are looking at is how to bypass the fake ones and identify the real ones. So if I were to start, let's say from this, if you see this buy label, the first thing that you need to know or identify is the turning point just before this buy label, the key level before this buy label. Let me just do this. And that key level before this buy label was this one. The next thing that you need to do is wait for price to cross this key level on to the upper side. And if price crosses this key level, you take a buy with a 1:3 risk to reward ratio. 1:3, 1.3. Okay, you could have won this trade. Next thing, we have a sell label. Let me just remove this. I hope you have seen that you could have won this trade. The next thing, you have a sell label, sell signal. Let me just say signal. What you do, you identify the key level just before you got to this sell signal, and it was this key level. The next thing that you need to do is wait for price to come and cross this key level. Let's remove this. so that we flow together. You wait for price. Let's say price is at this point. What you need to do, wait for price to cross this key level, and when it crosses, it is a valid sell signal. You take your sell. If price could have done something like this, you would have taken your sell right here. You would have taken your sell right here. But then price didn't. Instead, it continued upward, which made this sell signal not real, a fake one. So you would wait. Okay, that one was a fake one. Let's shift this because it didn't help us. You wait, you have a buy signal now. Okay, this first buy signal, what do? You mark the point or the key level just before you got to this buy signal, and it was this key level. So the thing you needed to do here is to wait for price. You are here. If price could have done this and closed above this previous key level, you could have taken your buy. You could have taken your buy, but then price didn't. It didn't. Instead, it continued on a downward move, which made this buy signal a fake one. Now you got another buy signal. You have to identify the key level before you got to this buy signal, and it was this key level, your new key level. Now price came and closed above this key level. What you could have done is take a buy right here. So you could have taken a buy right here, put your stop loss there, and a risk reward ratio of 1:3, something like this. So what could have happened here, price could have moved in your direction and created this sort of a new key level, moved upward, and you would have moved your stop loss to entry, and you could have been taken out at break even. So let's continue. Remember, you won your first trade, your second one was taken out at break even. Okay, now you have this next buy signal. What you do is you mark the key level just before you got here. It's a tricky one. If you are smart, you could have stayed away, but I can say that this was the key level. Price didn't come to cross this key level. Instead, it gave you another buy signal, and the key level for that one was this key level. It was this key level for this recent buy. Price came up, attempted crossing. You are waiting, you keep checking to see if price is closing above, and right here price closes above your key level, so you take a buy. You take a buy, 1:3. You win your trade. Okay, you win your trade. Now you have a sell signal. Let's just remove this so that we have a clean chart. Now you have a sell signal. What you do, identify the key level before this, and it's this one. price didn't come to close below it, you have another sell signal, and the key level before that one is this. Price didn't come to close below it, another sell signal there. The key level just before you got there is this. Price didn't come to close below it. All those are the fake ones. And now you have which one? This one. The key level just before that one is this one. And price came down, and then closed. I can say it closed below it here. Let's say you could have taken your sell there, put your stop loss just above there. Somebody else could have placed it just above this previous lower high, and then your one is to 3983. Okay, you could have won this trade. You could have won this trade. I'm going to shift this so that we have a clean chart. I hope you are still following. Now you have a buy signal. You mark the key level before you got here, and it is this key level. Price didn't close above it, so you leave it. Another buy signal. The recent key level was which one? There. Price didn't close above it anyway. It was a fake signal. Now you have this buy signal, and the key level before that is this one. Price came closed above it. What you do, you take your trade, put your stop loss just there. Risk reward ratio of 1:3. You could have won this one again. Incredible strategy. Now you have a sell signal. Let's just remove this. I want you to flow with me. You have a sell signal. I hope you are getting the idea. The key level before that was this. Price didn't come here. You could be holding, no trade, buy signal. Key level before that, can say it's here. It's a pity it didn't give us a sell signal right here, but then strategy is strategy. Buy signal, another buy signal. The key level before that is this. It wasn't crossed. You are still following. It didn't cross. You head to this one. The key level before that was this. It didn't cross. And now we have this buy. The key level just before this one, I can say it's still this. Okay, it's still this one. Just extend it. Now what's your expectation if price does this, closes above this in a full candle? You take a buy. Very high chances you will win this trade. It works over 90% of the time. 1:3. 1:3. Notice that we only had one loss. I will call it a loss, but if you know how to trade, it couldn't have been a loss because you would have done the right thing, moving stop loss to entry. Please take your time, practice this strategy. Oh, just before I leave. Let me give you the settings. You go to indicators. You type in here envelope, and then you select this envelope RSI buy sell signal. You select that one and then you close. Okay, we have it now. Now we have to put in the settings because there's a lot of stuff that we don't need. Double click. Come to style. Just remove everything except for the sell label and the buy label. Remove this. Remove everything. And then you click OK. So there you have it. You have it. You have it. You have it. Right here, let me show you what you could have done. I think I was following this. I even missed the trade right there. I could have taken, because there was this buy signal and the key level before that, it's not even this one. It's not even this one. The key level before this buy is this one. So you could have taken your buy right there. I missed this trade. Oh, it was a weekend. Put your buy 1:3. You can make it a 1:4, 1:4. Risk to reward ratio. One to 4. This was a fake one because this previous key level was not broken. I can open any pay. Here was a buy signal. The key level before that was this. Just opening at random. Check that trade there. This trade was one. The key level before this, somebody could have said it was this one. Price closed above it. You could have taken your buy there. 1, 2, 3. You could have won this trade. This strategy works. I can go on and on and on. You can watch this video again, set it on your trading view. For those who don't have computers, please make a plan to get a laptop or desktop. It's easier on PC than on mobile. I can show you on mobile how you can do this, but I already have mobile strategies, so that's the strategy. It works over 95% of the time, or over 90%, and the lowest I can say is 70%. It works. Watch this again and again. See you in my next video, and beware of scammers. I don't sell stuff on Telegram. I don't sell anything on Telegram. I will tell you when I start selling, whether signals or whatever. I don't sell anything on Telegram. Please beware of scammers. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful trading. Bye bye.